Let's make this yummy sauce that can be used in multiple ways, and it is called applesauce. These are the ingredients that you need. Everything has been written in description below. I'll be using a peeler to peel the skin off my apple. You can use a knife or an apple peeler or whatever you have. I'll be using a apple cutter to cut my apple into smaller slices. You can use a knife if you don't have an apple cutter. My apple has been cleaned and cut into smaller pieces, and it is ready to use. Put a pot on it and pour in your apple. I'll be adding water. I'll be adding vanilla essence. Nutmeg powder. Cinnamon powder. Clove powder. Star anise powder. Sugar. Cinnamon stick. Lemon juice. Salt. There, and let it cool for 30 to 45 minutes on low to medium heat. Make sure everything is well combined and cover. After 45 minutes, I'll be mashing with a potato masher. You can put it in a blender or you can use a food processor, whatever you have used, but I prefer this method. In this way, we'll be able to control the consistency. So that is why I prefer to use a potato masher. This is the consistency I like. It's not too chunky and it's not too smooth. This sauce can be used on so many things: pancakes, waffle, ice cream, on a toast bread. You can put it in your cake batter. You can even put it on top of your cake if you want that extra flavor. This sauce is to have for every home.